This young, green-backed heron's favorite food is fresh fish. To catch a meal here, he needs a more measured approach. Even the slightest movement gives him away. If he can't get to the fish, he'll have to get the fish to come to him. He knows they'll inspect anything on the surface they think might be food. So he tries something fewer than 1% of all birds on the planet do. He uses bait. The leaf, there's interest. Still no bites, though. Bullseye. Now he's got the hang of it, he's unstoppable. Faces a huge challenge to make it to the ocean. But they still have a long way to go, and danger awaits. Black vultures are gathering, and they're hungry. Now, the genius of the turtle's strategy becomes clear. Across this beach, thousands of nests have emerged. Up to 1 million olive ridley hatchlings can surface in a single day, some of the largest gatherings of sea turtles on the planet. By hatching together, each turtle improves their chances of survival, and about 80% of hatchlings make it to the ocean. Working together, they've overcome their first great challenge in life.
And a sharp 2-inch beak. Roadrunners are known as snake killers for good reason. Hunting pretty much anything he can get his beak on.
A dark corner for an ambush. Fastest strikers. They can strike their own body length in 1/4 of a second.